In amigurumi, you can tighten up your stitches by changing the way that you crochet. When I first learned crochet, I actually learned it this way. So when you go in, normally in crochet in the standards is that you yarn over and you bring the hook from behind and you pull it through the stitch. And what that's doing is it's providing a nice even layer of yarn to go into your stitch. So you're going in and yarning over and through. Now to tighten this up and to do it the way that my mom showed me, this is actually a technique that's used in amigurumi. So you're gonna go in and you put your hook on top from the front side and bring it on through. Then you single crochet. And what this is doing, do you look at the difference of the stitch? It's tighter. Do you see that? And did you notice the difference too? It looks different. So let me do another one. So just going in, come from the front and on top and pull it and then through. So what is missing in this? Do you notice the difference of the stitch? See these two lines? You do not see that here, and what this is doing is it's tightening up. So if you're interested in that kind of concept, it's a way of tightening up your stitches and it will provide less slack, and that's something that is available to you. So it's just a matter of getting used to it. As you can see, I'm kind of going back and forth. But that's a great little tip, and hopefully you have a great day. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.